Guys, you can see I was trying to start it up, but I already know it's not gonna start up. I just want to show you guys that. Okay, so right now it's not working. I haven't turned this thing on for a long time, probably 2 years or 3 years since the last time I worked on it. So now today I gotta cut the grass. As you can see, the grass is very tall. I gotta cut it up. And let me tell you a bit about the machine. It's Briggs and Stratton. Okay, I have this thing several years and I barely use it. I'm gonna go ahead and check the oil, guys. Let's check the oil. The oil is pretty decent. Okay, the oil is very decent, guys. You got a lot of oil in it. Now I'm gonna check if I have gas. There's no gas in there. I suspect that. I never used this thing for a long time. I think I was using it and the gas died and finished, and that's the last time I used it. Okay, I gotta change the spark plug. I don't think it's ever changed since I bought it. I'm gonna put it apart and trying to clean the carburetor, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and help the channel, guys, if you did not do so. Okay. Now I'm gonna bring this thing to a corner where I can take it apart. Guys, I'm going to remove the spark plug. This is what I have for that. I bought these tools from Walmart, and the first one works. The first one works, guys. Okay, guys, it's been here for a while. I'm gonna remove it, guys. It's been here for a while. I'm gonna remove it, guys. I'm gonna remove the top cover with a screwdriver. There's two screws in there. I'm gonna take it out. Okay, I place the top on here. I got the flat screwdriver to remove the cover of the air filter. Okay, guys, this is the air filter. It's not that bad, so we're gonna shake it. We're gonna blow it out. And now we're gonna take the cover. There's two screws there. I don't know if I think this is a 7 or a 6. I'm gonna find out which one to use. Okay, guys, this is a 10. And there's 3 screws there. The first one you can remove with a 10. Guys, I'm using the 8mm because I can't find my 8, so I gotta use this thing, guys. There's 3 screws there. I'm trying to remove them. Okay, guys, the cover will come right out. You can take it out from there, guys. Pull it out, it will come out. This is the cover. It's pretty clean, actually. Guys, this is the fuel line. You just have to get the pliers and take it out. Guys, I found the 3/8. This is 3/8. I found it. I'm gonna take the screw off. Take this thing off. Guys, there's a spring there. I'm gonna remove it like this. I'm gonna remove the carburetor. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the carburetor, guys. Okay, guys, I'm just removing the carburetor. It's all done. So you gotta remember, this thing was right there. And the spring was attached right there, guys, and also that little thing was right there, just like that. Okay, just have to remember that. That's it. Now you're gonna work on this and see how nasty this thing is. Guys, this is the starter. I mean, this is a little part right there. That's the called start. That's the starter, guys. You need a 1.5. Okay, this is 1.5, guys, to unscrew this. Unscrew it. Now, there's a couple parts you gotta. Okay, guys, this. Don't forget this. You gotta put the screws in here. There's a little hose. You gotta go in there too, guys. There's a little hose. You see, it goes like this. Make sure you got nothing in there. And a little screw. Make sure you got nothing in there, guys. So I spray something in it already. I'm inside the house. I don't want to make a mess. Okay? That, I try to clean it as much as possible. I remove this part. There's a pin there. I got to take the pin out. I was having a hard time taking the pin out, guys. I remove the pin. And there's a couple holes all over the place. I stick that little thing all over the place. Wherever there's a hole, I stick it in there. Okay? Trying to clean it up. I don't think inside is clean, but it's well done. I may have to change the whole carburetor. Now my problem is I don't have a gasket here. I have an old one. It's broken, so I'm going to try to stick it in there. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to put this thing back. Okay. There's a rubber here. There's a gasket there. I'm going to put it back and tie this thing in. So that should do the work, guys. Now I got a new spark plug. Okay, from Walmart. This thing costs $1.99. I went to Auto Spot. This thing costs $6.75. So I went to Walmart and get it. Okay. So like I said, this is 1.5. Stick it in there, and we're gonna tie it up, guys. This is done. I didn't have a fluid leak to clean this thing. I had this thing, guys. I have a Briggs cleaner. You know, it says cleaner, so this thing can clean everything in there. So I use that. So guys, I'm gonna go on the back and plug it in and see if this thing starts. Guys, I'm going to put the spark plug in. No. It fits. It fits, guys. Okay, thing fits. Guys, I'm ready to put the carburetor in. This part went in first, this part, and I have 10 millimeter. Okay, I got a connection of 10 millimeter, guys. I'm gonna put it in there. Okay, you want it? Okay, guys, I'm putting this thing back in there too. Okay, stick it in there. There we go. And then this goes inside here. Voila. Yeah, this is so easy. Well, let's see what happened, guys. Let pause the. Guys, I'm putting the wire for the gas. Put it back in there. Wasn't Tesla. I don't know. Oh, mati anda metti sa pito. I gotta squeeze this thing to bring this thing all the way to the top. Let's pause this. Guys, I'm gonna need a gasket for this, but I gotta work with what I have, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna order a gasket. Maybe next time I'll show you guys how to put the basket back together. But this is the last part, and I gotta put it on. Guys, I put the cover, the carburetor on. I'm gonna put I'm gonna try to start it the way it is, guys. I'm gonna try to start it. I'm gonna put some gas in it. This has no gas. Okay, I'm gonna put some gas and see what happened there. The oil is clear. The oil is fine. It's full. We had enough oil. Guys, I'm going to go ahead, put the filter and put everything else together. Pause, baby. Pause camera, man. Put the cover back, guys. Pause it. Okay guys, I put some oil, I put some gas, and put the spark plug back. Okay guys, let's see if this thing will start. It's gonna start. Yeah. That machine? We fix it. We're gonna cut the gas. Hey, take it over there. Okay guys, I'm in the front yard. Don't forget to subscribe, help the channel, man. I just make the thing works. Okay? I think I gotta change the carburetor though. This thing hasn't started for 3 years guys, 3 years. Don't forget to subscribe, help the channel. If you did not subscribe guys, go ahead and subscribe right now. This thing wasn't working for 3 years. Now it's working. I just clean up the carburetor and that's it. And change the spark plug.